Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the narrow bandpass filter indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the narrow bandpass filter indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 837 indicators, with 342 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 44 of the winning indicators. 13 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the narrow band pass filter indicator. In the original testing, it was able to achieve over 10 trades, 10 signals within the 1 year's time. And so we did keep this on a daily time frame, and we kept the take profit and stop the same as well, because we are testing it in the advanced testing on the daily. And you can see the indicator here on the bottom of the screen. Setup on this was pretty easy. I did change a few things, just a few visual aspects of it. So if I do this is what it normally looks like here. And so what I did was I went in, I turned this bluish color here to green, and I bumped up the line weight of it. This orange color here I turned to red, and again I bumped up the line weight just a little bit there, and it gives me this right here. And so what we did in the original video was, when we got green, when the line switched to green, then that was a signal to go long. When the line, the bandpass filter here, switched to red, that was a signal to go short. And so for example, you can see that we get red coloration here in the bandpass filter, and then we switch to green here. If you look at the coordinates right here above my cursor, as I mouse over each individual day, you can see that it does change color according to the line itself. And so you can see that we're red, red, red here, and then boom, here on this day, it switches to the green. And so that would have been a signal to go long right there. Looks like maybe this one got stopped out. Nope, didn't quite hit our stop, so it pushed back pretty far there, about 75 pips. Missed the 90 pip stop before it did finally start to roll and push to the upside. Does look like though it wasn't able to hit our 60 pip take profit. Got really close as it pushed up here, but just not quite there. And so this one would have been a losing trade just by a couple of pips, unfortunately. And then you can see as we switch from the green to the red here, that would be again a short signal right there. And so keep in mind that when testing this, especially if you're not, especially if you're not using the bar replay, that it looks like you have got the switch right here, but you can see again, looking at the coordinates right here, you can see that it's still green on that candle. It's not until we get to this candle that it then switches red. So that would be a signal to go short right there. And you can see that we get a really nice drop to the downside, which would have definitely got us to our take profit. So, all right, what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced testing, and we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve during that advanced test. All right, so that puts us at the end of the advanced testing right there. Before we take a look at what it was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in the conversations in most of these channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader putting up charts like this on a regular basis, where he is doing analysis of the Forex market. He's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest. Sometimes he'll even mark out areas where he is looking to actually take a trade. And so he will mark out the entry, the stop, and the take profit. All in all, really great stuff. Sasquatch is very informative, very knowledgeable, really helps out a lot of the members answering questions and just kind of coaching people along. Mike from Upright Trading here is one of our newest admins. He does an awesome job of helping people out with some indicators in general, but also some of his own indicators that he has developed. He has some that are paid, some that are free, but all of them are really cool indicators, really awesome. He goes out of his way to really explain how to use the indicator and the strategies that he's developed for those particular indicators. And he's also on a regular basis updating the indicators, tweaking them, coming up with new ways and new ideas to add to them. So constantly changing them and adapting them and making them better. So really, really great stuff from Mike. And in general, some of our other members are just doing a great job of posting different things, their trades that they're taking, different chart analysis, some of the indicators that they're using. Just like I said, it's a really, really great environment. Everybody's helping everybody out. Everybody is supporting everybody and helping everybody grow as traders and get better. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, back to our advanced test here. So 50 trades like normal, and out of those 50 trades we got 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades. So that's going to put us at a 44% win rate. That is obviously going to drop us below that 60% criteria that we were looking to maintain. And so yeah, what can we say? I'm not gonna get a really decent win rate out of every single winning indicator that we tested, depending on the particular pair and depending on the time frame. If we switch the time frame, just all around, there's a lot of variables there that are going to change things. And in this particular case, it bumped down the win rate quite a bit. And so yep, that's it for this one. It's an interesting indicator, but all around not really going to work out for us. And so possibly research on it. Doesn't mean that it's a bad indicator. Do some research into the narrow band pass filter and see if it's something you can incorporate into maybe a strategy that you've already developed, and see if you can find it useful. So for now though, it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.